Welcome if you're new here. My name's Christine and I wasn't even sure if I was going to do any filming today. Guys, this girl is having a hard time getting out of her funk. I am just so overwhelmed, stressed, worried, just about everything. I mean, still stressed over my job, which apparently has become apparent. Then I'm worried because I know my manager and my supervisor don't like me. I mean, you know, you can feel when somebody likes you or doesn't like you, although I'm sure they'll say, no, we like you. It's just nothing. Everything's a struggle for me, and then I worry, how am I going to live in this day and age? How am I going to afford to live? You know, prices, as you know, prices just keep going up and up and up. Insurance rates are going up and up and up. Property taxes are going up and up and up. Just everything is, and you know, Don's on a fixed income. I don't make any money with YouTube, so I can't say, you can't say, well, she's doing YouTube. When we bought this house, we had plans of totally renovating it, you know, redoing it, you know. Not everybody can have a beautiful, gorgeous home with brand new state-of-the-art appliances and marble countertops or whatever, beautiful tile floors or whatever. Me, I got a 1980 built house with 1980 cabinets and countertops. That's just how it is. That doesn't bother me. Everything serves its purpose. My house is not clean. My house is a disgusting mess, and of course I only show you what I show you. But you know, life is not perfect, and I'm just struggling right now. Just really struggling, and you may be witnessing a mental breakdown live on YouTube. With all joking aside, today I'm finally going to get to cleaning out the refrigerator. I started getting rid of stuff on garbage trash night, but there's still a lot in there. I know it's stuff that I use, but you'll see. for stopping by and watching today. I'm done for today. I think I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the day, but I will probably, most likely, see you tomorrow doing what? I'm not really sure. I really need to get out into my backyard. It is a jungle out there. Welcome to the jungle. I'll see you tomorrow, everybody. Everybody stay happy, stay well. Bye-bye.